Hi everyone, so I have planned to cover all Hackerrank SQL question topic wise, starting from the basics and progressing to advanced level. Each problem will come with a detailed explanation and proper solution to ensure clear understanding. Now coming to the part of plan, here is what and how we will covering all. So here we are dividing all this into 6 domain. First I will be covering basic select under video 1, then advancing towards advanced selection, then aggregation, then basics join, then advanced join, then alternative queries in subsequent videos. Now coming to the second part, like what common question might be you will be having. So first thing, like what will be the resources. So I'm going to provide all the solution and resources in my GitHub account, so you can check the description for link. Now second question is like how I can get update about upcoming videos. So I have Telegram channel, link is in the description, so you can join. Third question is like what is the language used in the video. So I am using both mix of Hindi and English. Now coming to the very important part, like how can I ask the doubt? So answer is very simple. Either you can mention your doubt in comment section or join my Telegram member community. There we are exclusively discussing the doubt section. Now what is my expectation from you people is like, please subscribe my channel, and second, hit the like button while watching. If you find this content helpful, please do support, and thank you for watching.